Topic is properties of triangle. One important use of trigonometry is to solve the practical problems that can be modeled by a triangle. Determination of all sides and all angles of a triangle is referred as solving the triangle. There are three types of formulas: sine formula, cosine formula, Napier's formulas. First we have to take sine formula. A divided by sine angle A is equal to side B divided by sine of angle B is equal to side C divided by sine of angle C. This is sine formula. Next, Napier's formula number 1, tan A minus B divided by 2 is equal to A minus B divided by A plus B into cot of C by 2. Number 2, tan B minus C divided by 2 is equal to B minus C divided by B plus C. Small ABC are sides of a triangle. Cot capital A divided by 2, angle A by 2. Number 3, tan C minus A divided by 2 is equal to side C minus side A divided by side C plus side A, cot B divided by 2. Capital letters are angles, small letters are sides. Cosine formula 1, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA. Cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2A. Okay, EX number 3.9, sum number 1. In a triangle ABC, if sin A divided by sin C is equal to sin A minus B divided by sin B minus C, prove that A square, B square, C square are in the arithmetic progression. We know that sin formula. Sin A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C, or taking the reciprocal, sin A divided by A is equal to sin B divided by B is equal to sin C divided by C is equal to K. Here take each is equal to K. Take first and last term, sin A is equal to K A. Second and last term, sin B is equal to KB. Third and last term, sin C is equal to KC. Given sin A by sin C is equal to sin A minus B divided by sin B minus C. Since sin A is equal to sin A plus B, sin C is equal to sin A plus B. So, sin A is equal to sin B plus C, sin C is equal to sin A plus B. Therefore, LHS sin A becomes this sin B plus C, sin C becomes sin of A plus B. Equating and cross multiplying, we have sin B plus C into sin B minus C is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Using the product formula, sin B plus C into sin B minus C is sin square B minus sin square C. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin square A minus sin square B. Okay. Now sin square B minus sin square C is K square B square minus K square C square is equal to K square A square minus K square B square. Now common K square B square minus C square is equal to K square into A square minus B square. Square minus C square is equal to A square minus B square. Arranging, we get B square plus negative sign B square comes to left hand side positive B square. So B square plus B square is equal to A square plus C square. So 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. Hence A square, B square and C square are in AP. Question number 2. The angle of triangle ABC are in arithmetic progression, and if B is to C is equal to root 3 is to root 2, find the angle A. Since angle A, B and C are in AP. AP means twice into middle is equal to sum of the other two. So 2 angle B is equal to angle A plus angle C. 2 angle B plus B is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C, adding both sides B, angle B. Okay, therefore 2 plus 1 is 3, angle B is equal to sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180. Therefore right hand side 180, divide root by 3 on both sides, we get angle B is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to 60 degrees, first part. B by C is equal to sin B divided by sin C. B is root 3, C is root 2. So root 3 divided by root 2 is equal to angle B is 60. So sin 60 divided by sin C. We want to find sin C. So cross multiplying, we get sin C is equal to root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 divided by root 3. Cancelling, we get 1 by root 2. Sin C is equal to sin 45 degree, taking tan inverse, sin inverse of both sides we have. C is equal to 45 degree. A plus B plus C is equal to 180, already known. A is equal to 180 minus B plus C, 180 minus B, angle B is 60 degree plus angle C is 45 degree. So sum of the two angles B and C is 105 degree. Subtract 105 from 180, we get 75 degree. 75 degree is LHS angle A. So angle A is equal to 75 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, and angle C is equal to 45 degree. Question number 3. In a triangle ABC, if cos is equal to sin A divided by 2 sin B, show that the triangle is isosceles. We know that sin A divided by small a, side A, is equal to sin B divided by side B is equal to sin of angle CC divided by side C is equal to K. H is equal to K. Therefore sin A is equal to Ka, sin B is equal to cos B, sin C is equal to Kc. Given that cos is equal to sin A divided by 2 sin B, 2 sin B cos C is equal to sin A. We know that cos is equal to A square plus B square minus C square, cosine formula, divided by 2AB. Substitute cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. We have 2 into this bracket into KB. KB is sin B is equal to sin A is Ka. KK cancelled, BB cancelled, 2 cancelled. We get A square plus B square minus C square divided by A is equal to A. Cross multiplying, A square plus B square minus C square is equal to A square. A into A is A square. Cancelling these two A square, we get B square minus C square is equal to 0. B square is equal to C square. Taking square root on both sides, we get B is equal to C. B is equal to C. Two sides are equal. Therefore, the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. Question number 4. In a triangle ABC, prove that sin B divided by sin C is equal to C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C. We know that sin A divided by A is equal to sin B divided by B is equal to sin C divided by C. Take the given sin formula will be the constant K. Each is equal to K. Therefore, we have to take first is equal to last. A sin A is equal to K1 sin A. Similarly, B is equal to K1 sin B. C is equal to K1 sin C. Let us take RHS. C minus A cos B divided by B minus A cos C. Apply the side C is equal to C cos B plus A B cos A minus A cos B whole divided by the side is B is equal to A cos C plus A C cos A minus A cos C. Cancelling these two A cos C, numerator side cancelling A cos B minus A cos B. Remaining part B cos A divided by C cos A. Cos A cos A cancelled. B by C is answer. So take each is equal to K1, in this case K1. Therefore, B is K1 sin B, C is K1 sin C. Cancelling these two, we get sin B divided by sin C. Sin B divided by sin C is LHS. result. Next, sum number 5. In a triangle ABC, prove that A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C is equal to 2A sin B sin C. We know that A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to K1. A is equal to K1 sin A, B is equal to K1 sin B, C is is equal to k1 sin c. LHS is equal to a cos a plus b cos b plus c cos c. The small letter mention side of the triangle ABC, capital ABC or angle of the triangle ABC. So substitute small a sides. We have k1 sin a cos a plus k1 sin b cos b plus k1 sin c cos c. Multiply 2, divide by 2. We have k1 divided by 2 into 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin b cos b plus 2 sin c cos c. We know that sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2b is equal to 2 sin b cos b. Sin 2c is equal to 2 sin c cos c. Apply the formula, we get k1 divided by 2 into sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. We know that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c, already proved. Therefore, using this result, we have LHS equal to k1 divided by 2 into 4 sin a sin b sin c. 4 2 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Cancelling these two, we get 2 into sin a sin b sin c into k. So 2 into k1 sin a, first bracket, then sin b sin c, second and the third. We have 2 k1 sin a is small letter a, small side a, then sin b sin c. This is RHS. Hence the result. In a triangle ABC, prove the following. Solution number 1, a sin a by 2 plus b is equal to b plus c sin a by 2. We know that a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c. Each is equal to k. We have a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b, c is equal to k sin c. Let us take b plus c divided by a is equal to b is k sin b, c is k sin c. Adding these two, the whole divided by k sin b. Now numerator common k, denominator common k. Therefore cancelling, we get sin b plus sin c divided by sin a. We know that sin c plus sin d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus b. In this case, sin b plus sin c. Therefore 2 sin b plus c divided by 2 cos b minus c divided by 2 whole divided by 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 2 to cancel, we get sin b plus c divided by 2 cos b minus c divided by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2 cos a by 2. But we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Divide through by 2 on both sides, we get b plus c divided by 2 is equal to 90 minus ca by 2. Apply 90 minus a by 2 in terms of b plus c divided by 2. Cos b minus c divided by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2 cos a by 2 cos a by 2 cos a by 2 cancelled. We get cos of b minus c divided by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2. But we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. A plus b plus c divided by 2 is equal to 90. Using this result, we have b minus 180 minus a minus b whole divided by 2 is equal to sin a by 2. Cos of b plus a by 2 minus 90 divided by sin a by 2. Take minus as common. Cos of minus 90 minus b plus a by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2 is equal to cos of 90 minus a by 2 plus b whole divided by sin a by 2. b plus c divided by a is equal to, now sin a by 2 plus b divided by sin. Cross multiplying, we get result. Okay. a sin b minus c divided by b square minus c square is equal to b sin c minus a divided by c square minus c square is equal to c sin a minus b divided by a square minus b square. We know that a divided by sin a is equal to b divided by sin b is equal to c divided by sin c. Taking h is equal to some constant k, then a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b, c is equal to k sin c. Now take first part, a sin b minus c divided by a b square minus c square is equal to a is k sin a into sin of b minus c whole divided by b is k sin b, therefore b square is k square sin square b, c is k sin c, c square is k square sin square c. Now numerator k, denominator k square is common, k cancelled, we get 1 by k into sin b plus c into sin b minus c We know that sin b plus into b minus c is sin b square. No, sin b plus into sin b minus c is sin square b minus sin square second letter c, whole divided by denominator sin square b minus sin square c. Cancelling these two, numerator and denominator sin square b minus sin square c, we get 1 by k. This is first part. The same situation, second part will be 1 by k, third part will be 1 and 3. Using from the condition number 1, 2 and 3, we have a sin b minus c divided by b square minus c square is equal to b sin c minus a divided by c square minus a square is equal to sin c sin a minus b divided by a square minus b square. Subdivision number 5, a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to tan a plus b by 2 cot of a minus b by 2. We know that a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c. This is sin formula. Law of sin. Take each is equal to k. We have a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b, c is equal to k sin c. LHS is equal to a plus b divided by a minus b. Apply a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b. We have k is numerator, k sin a plus k sin b, common k. Denominator k sin a minus k sin b, common k. Using the formula sin c plus sin d is equal to sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin a plus sin b is 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 cos a minus b divided by 2 whole divided by sin a minus sin b formula. 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Now 2 to cancel. Sin a plus b by 2 divided by cos a plus b by 2 is cot a plus b by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 divided by sin a minus b by 2 is tan a minus b divided by 2 is RHS. Question. Sin a plus b by 2 divided by cos a plus b by 2 is tan of a plus b divided by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 divided by sin a minus b by 2 is cot of a minus b divided by 2 is RHS. Answer is simple. Next, sum number 9. An engineer has to develop a triangular shaped park with a perimeter 120 meter in a village. The park to be developed must be of maximum area. Find the dimension of the park. Let the side of the equilateral triangle be a meters. There are 3 sides. Therefore, AB plus BC plus C is equal to 120. AB is side A, BC is side A, CA is side A. A plus A is 3A. 3A is equal to 120. A is equal to 120 divided by 3 is 40 meters. Okay, hence the dimensions of the park are 40 meter, 40 meter and 40 meter. Okay, next question number 11. Derive the projection formula from number 1, law of sines and law of cosines. First we have to take law of sines. We know that a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c. Taking each is equal to k, then a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c is equal to k. From the above we have a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b, c is equal to k sin c. Side a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. Let us take RHS b cos c plus c cos b. Side b is equal to, from the sin formula, k sin b into cos c plus k sin c into cos b. K is equal to k into bracket sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. We know that sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos c sin b. This is same model. Therefore, k into sin of b plus c. K into, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. So, b plus c is equal to 180 minus a degree. Therefore, sin of 180 minus a. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Therefore, sin 180 minus a is sin a. K into sin a is already known result, small a side is equal to LHS. Next, similarly, we can prove b is equal to c cos a plus a cos c. C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. Law of cosines. To prove that side A is equal to side B into cos of C angle plus side C plus side C into cos B. B is angle. Small letter A, B, C are the sides and capital letter B and C are the angles. Let us take RHS B cos C plus C cos B. B into, using the cosine formula, cos is equal to A square plus B square minus C square whole divided by 2AB plus C into cosine formula. We have cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2 cos 2 into CA. C cancel, BB cancel. We get A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2A plus C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2A. Same denominator 2A, therefore 2A is LCM. Numerator, addition is an operation, therefore A square plus B square minus C square plus C square plus A square minus B square. Cancelling B square and C square, we have 2A square divided by 2A. 2 cancel. A square divided by A is A is LHS, cancel result. Today homework, EX number 3.9, sum number 6, 7, subdivision number 2 and 3, sum number 8 and 10. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.